Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to connect Nintendo Switch to a TV manual. So guys, just you have to follow these three steps. First one, open the back cover of the Nintendo Switch dock. Then second step, connect the USB plug from the Nintendo Switch SE adapter. And third step, connect one end of the HDMI cable into the bottom terminal of the dock labeled HDMI out, then connect the other end into an HDMI port on your television or monitor. So this is the way guys you can connect Nintendo Switch to a TV manually. So thanks for watching guys, and please comment this short and basic video is useful for you or not. Just follow these three steps. Open the back cover, then connect the USB plug from the Nintendo Switch, and then connect one end of the HDMI cable into the bottom terminal of the dock labeled your television or monitor. So thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.